guys, how's it going? Cash here in L. We are out today and we're going to take for a quick drive on the new road that is coming up here. Have a look, guys. Look at this brand new road coming here in Cap Cana. Basically what I believe it's going to be, you're going to have golf cart paths on the right hand side, on the left hand side, and these guys are working full steam ahead over here. It's a Sunday, all right, and what they're doing here, you can see golf cart paths on the left, all lit up all the way down. Where is this going to take you? This is where we're going. Me and Elle are actually going to play some pickleball right now, and we're going to take this road. All right, nobody's working right now. I don't think we're supposed to be on it, but nevertheless, I want you guys to see it, because this is what, when I talk about Cap Cana and the growth that's happening here, this is what I'm talking about. The infrastructure right over there. They're doing a big commercial center over there. We have some units over there if you guys are interested and want some info on that. Commercial center on the right hand side. To the left is El Dorado Water Park. Right over there is the main entrance of Cap Cana. Okay, the main entrance of Cap Cana is over here to the right. That's where Las Canas is, and you take that road all the way through, guys, straight shot all the way down. You see these guys are working full steam ahead, and we're going to take this. So what are you going to do? You take this all the way down, you get to Racket Village. What this is going to allow us to do is basically bypass the main road right behind me. Okay, so when people have to go all the way through, they don't have to take the they don't have to populate or put traffic on that road. Keep things nice and safe. And the other thing, you'll notice everything is LED, all fresh, new technology, brand new infrastructure, and that's what I'm talking about. That's what's important. New infrastructure, new pipes, new electricity, a brand new city in the making, guys. That's what's happening here inside Cap Cana. All right, guys, we're off to play some pickleball, right? Let's do it, guys. Enjoy your Sunday. Love where you live. Out to go down this golf path. You can see this is going to be awesome. It's going to bypass so much stuff, and it'll keep traffic light on the main road. You can see all the brand new LED lights that are going up here. Nice wide double lane both ways. This will be your little expressway to go from the entrance to Eden Rock all the way down, and look at how lush and beautiful it is all around. To the right we have lakes. There is the water park. You can see it off in the distance. Okay, I'm going to zoom in for you so you can see it. There's the water park. Give you a little bit of bearings of where we're at. And all this is going to be done soon. These guys are working even on a Sunday. They're working full steam ahead. But this is exciting stuff, and this is what is happening here inside Cap Cana, guys. This is what's going down. They're working away there. I'm going to hop onto the main road. This is you can see the road. They're getting ready. They're going to be asphalting this soon. This is going to open right up, and it's going to really take away some of the pressure. Look at all the landscaping that's being done. These guys are full steam ahead. There's the main road. All right, so we're going to take a lot of pressure off of that main road. Got all the landscaping happening here by the team, Cap Cana team. These guys work really, really hard at getting these. And we come out right here, guys. You can see the curbs are being put in as we speak. Curbs are being put in. There's Juanillo. There's the 7 Mars building. You guys kind of have a rough idea where you're at. We're going to have a golf cart path all the way up and down. This is going to shoot right under this underpass here, which is pretty cool. How this underpass works. It's kind of cool, all this being done, all this work, and now you're going to be able to shoot up there, and that's to Juanillo right there. You're going to shoot all the way up there. This will take you all the way to Racket Village, and this is what's pretty cool. Look at this waterway here. You got this underpass that's built. We're in the middle of nature, bud? Look at this stuff, guys. This is what blows me away. This is exciting stuff. I love grabbing the quad and doing this kind of stuff because this is fun. You know what I mean? Now we're off-roading, and look what we found. We found this beautiful natural lake right here on the side. Look at how beautiful that is. while or a little exploring, come along with us. But look at guys how beautiful this is. This is nice, eh? Wow, what a beautiful piece. These are the things about Cap Cana that makes it unique, and this is the stuff that I really appreciate about it. It's not like I'm in, you know, for example, at Cana Bay, it's just a development, you know, a large development. No, this is a city. Look at this. It's just something that's really special. Nature is all around you. That is not gone. The development's happening, but we're still in nature. We're in loving it. Look at that. That is just turquoise blue water. Yeah, let me go over there. All right, guys. So this is where it's coming out. It's coming out here at Racket Village. This is where I came from back there. There you guys can see. Take a look at how they've dug all this out. This is pretty amazing. And we're coming out at Racket Village. You guys have been here for the ATP tournament, so this is where we're coming out at.